I hope you all are doing well. So guys, in today's video, I'll let you know about whether petcrot.com is a legit website or not. Before I start, I would like to mention that this video is a purely unbiased video, as this website does not belong to us. Now coming to website, this website sells various furnitures that are home based, and they deal in various accessories. As you can have a look at the products here, and these products are really very beautiful. Check their new arrivals here. So you can read here that they provide you free shipping and returns on all orders. So guys, this was about the products, and the pricing is quite low as compared to other websites. This was about the home page, which was too small to get scroll much. Now taking a look at the menu section, as you can see, it is divided into various categories, and you can choose to see whatever you want to see from here. Let us see pet clothing accessories. Guys, these are the pet clothings that are really very attractive. As you can see, these are very beautiful and are available at quite low prices. That is again impressive on their part. Your pet will look very beautiful in these accessories. Taking another look at the pet collars and leashes section of the menu. Have a look at the dog collar they provide you with. That is really latest fashion and designed finely. Yeah, they're really very cool, and they're priced at reasonable costs. Now this was about the product. Now let us have a look at the About Us page of this website. So guys, as you can see, this is the About Us page. You can read necessary details here. However, you can see that limited details are provided on their About Us page. That is kind of suspicious on their part. Now moving on to their contact details, let us see what details they are providing you. So guys, here is the email address they provide you with. You can shoot your query and email them at the given email address. And they are also providing you with their address, and you can make a call on their given phone number if you want to ask them anything. This was helpful on their part. Shipping policy. So guys, as you can see, they deliver their order within 3 to 5 days. However, it can take 7 to 10 days for big orders to get shipped. So guys, here are the necessary details. You can read about the return policy, shipping policy. Now let us see the return policy of the website. As you can see, you can return your product within 30 days after you get it, and these are the return procedure and refund details provided here. You can read them according to your own curiosity. Guys, do share your reviews that whether you find these options helpful for you or not. Now looking at their presence on social media, let us see their presence on Facebook. So guys, as you can see, by clicking on Facebook icon of this website, we couldn't see any Facebook presence of it on Facebook. Now looking at the Instagram section, we are again brought to same page, which is quite suspicious on their part, and it is a scam sign. So guys, this was about it. Let us know your reviews, what you found after using this website. Now talking about the advantages, we came to know that this website has a valid SSL connection, which makes it valid, and the products could be seen at low prices. And this website was not detected under any blacklist engine. However, talking about disadvantages, we came to know that this website has a poor trust index on Web of Trust, and it has low traffic on the website, Moreover, its domain name is too new, that is, it is only 17 days old, and website is suspicious because it is too new. So giving a final verdict, I would suggest you to not buy anything from such new websites, as these websites may or may not be legit. So guys, I hope this video was informative for you. Don't buy anything from such new websites, as they can be a scam. Now do share your reviews with us, guys, and please subscribe to our channel to know about more scam websites online and help you save your money. Share this video with your friends and like this video. Thank you.